Life-threatening blizzard to pummel Sierra Nevada. Zero visibility in whiteout conditions. The National Weather Service warns of zero visibility, strong winds and heavy snow Wednesday night through Thursday morning. Travel not advised. Colossal storm is poised to barrel across the northern Sierra Nevada Wednesday evening, with high winds whipping heavy falling snow and creating blizzard conditions. The National Weather Service advised against all travel in the mountain range straddling California and Nevada through Thursday. "I would call this storm extremely dangerous," said Carlisa Rogachesti, a meteorologist with the NWS Sacramento office. "During whiteout conditions, it's going to be near impossible to drive." The NWS has issued a winter storm warning for elevations between 5,500 feet and 6,500 and a blizzard warning for elevations above 7,000 feet, where conditions will be potentially life-threatening with zero visibility in whiteout conditions.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.